Build your email list without making these mistakes. Email marketing is a fantastic approach to boost traffic and establish relationships. In the world, 80% of merchants consider that email marketing is an effective way to increase client acquisition and retention. However, email list building is not an easy task. It took me 1 year of attempting to promote online before this notion was hammered into my skull. Don't forget to make a list. I worked tirelessly for a year in marketing and created sizable downlines in various programs. Sure, I made a little cash here and there, but what I was really doing was digging myself a hole in the ground. Today, all of the applications in which I developed downlines are no longer available, and I have nothing to show for it. Instead of marketing myself, I was advertising someone else. I'm not arguing that boosting affiliate links is a terrible thing, but consider this. Would you rather promote affiliate links from your opt-in list or hard-earned links? So, first and foremost, develop a website, a newsletter, and begin advertising them. In the long run, this will save you a lot of time and problems. Give out free software, ebooks, and deals to grow your list. The second mistake many of us are doing at the beginning of our marketing journey is to buy a ready-made email list. Don't buy email list, build it. It appears to be a simple matter of investing a few dollars to obtain a large email list. There are a lot of tempting offerings out there that promise you thousands of emails including names from their service. Oftentimes, the results are worse than expected. Those lists can sometimes contain out-of-date email addresses that no longer exist. Furthermore, the lists contain a large number of email addresses that may not be very relevant to your interests. Another idiotic mistake I've made was asking too many questions. Don't ask too many details from people. Email subscription is a wonderful way to acquire potential consumers. Building an email list is similar to establishing a trustworthy relationship. People's confidence in you will be dependent on you. We don't get into a relationship with a bunch of quirks and questions. People are hesitant to share more questions, regardless of their relevance, and are more likely to give up and not become a part of your email list. Making trustworthy consumer relationships online is challenging. Following are a few extra benefits of building a mailing list. Having a mailing list means guaranteed access to the inbox of thousands of users, at least, until they stop using the email address. You may use email marketing to develop strong relationships with leads, customers, and former customers. You'll be able to talk to them straight in their email, whenever it's convenient for them. Above all, email marketing is extremely cost-effective. Using an email automation platform, you can quickly run a successful email campaign. Final thoughts. Aware. Once you've created a list, it's up to you to keep it up to date. Take note of what you promote and suggest. Stick to your newsletter's theme, for the most part. It's fine to stray from the topic now and again, but keep it to a minimum. Remember that you have a good reputation to uphold, and if you start enraging your subscribers, or spamming their inboxes with offers, your business will suffer. Build your list right, and build it smart. I hope that this sheds some light on the importance of building your list, and stops you from following my mistakes. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked the content, give it a thumbs up. See you soon.